Okay. So mating strategies and investment. However, when a woman negotiates her role in a relationship by fixing him and by default seeing him as a problem that needs to be fixed, then the relationship dynamic changes. So suppose you fulfill the PPU, the perceived partner uniqueness, and there are times you might sort of laugh with him when he changes the light bulb. But then if you get into a long, sustained strategy of trying to fix him, all you are going to end up doing is fixing him out of that house. He's going to end up leaving because his good enough is not good enough for you. Men look at relationships as investments. When an investment is not producing a return, they will consider other options. And the investment model is defined by 4 major components. So satisfaction, investment, quality of alternatives, and commitment. So satisfaction is related to relationship satisfaction. So are you fulfilling those relational needs, right? Investment are sort of time, resources, effort, care. Quality of alternatives comes along if you are not, fulfilling, relationship satisfaction, or you are rejecting his investment. So if he decides to step out, the alternative has to have some sort of quality, right? The affair partner. Usually men oftentimes don't always date down. Women tend to date down. And then commitment, of course, are you both committed in terms of investing in each other and the relationship itself?